Ever thought what else Einstein contributed beyond his famous equation mc²? Albert Einstein, a name that's synonymous with genius, is best known for this iconic formula which redefined how we perceive energy and mass. It's the cornerstone of his special theory of relativity and a revolutionary concept that forever changed the world of physics. But the story of Einstein's genius doesn't end here. Einstein's intellectual journey was one of exploration and discovery, far beyond mc². His mind delved into the mysteries of the universe, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of time, space, and gravity. His theories led to groundbreaking contributions that have shaped our knowledge of physics and cosmology. From the bending of light to the expansion of the universe, Einstein's insights have spawned a century of scientific exploration. But mc² was just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Einstein's genius. Born in 1879 in Germany, Albert Einstein's journey to genius started humbly. A seed was planted in his young mind when his father gave him a compass. The invisible forces that moved the needle sparked an insatiable curiosity in him, which ignited his lifelong love for physics. Yet he was not a model student. The rigidity of the traditional education system didn't suit his free-thinking spirit. He often clashed with his teachers, preferring to learn at his own pace in his own way. He dove into the world of ideas, devouring books on science and philosophy. His thirst for knowledge was quenched not by rote learning, but by understanding the fundamental principles that govern the universe. Despite these early struggles, or perhaps because of them, he developed a unique perspective on the world around him. Einstein's unorthodox approach to learning would later prove instrumental in his groundbreaking theories. The year 1905, often referred to as Einstein's annus mirabilis or miracle year, was a turning point. This was the year when a young patent clerk in Switzerland named Albert Einstein published not one, not two, but four groundbreaking papers that would forever change the course of physics. First, there was the paper on the photoelectric effect, which laid the foundation for quantum mechanics. Then came the paper on Brownian motion, providing substantial evidence for the existence of atoms. The third paper introduced the special theory of relativity, challenging the established notions of space and time. Finally, the fourth paper was the one that gave us the famous equation, E equals mc², linking energy and mass in an entirely new way. These papers not only changed the scientific world but also set the stage for Einstein's future contributions. In 1915, Einstein introduced the world to his general theory of relativity. Now let's break this down into simpler terms. Imagine you're standing on a trampoline. When you're not on it, the surface is flat. But the moment you step onto it, your weight creates a dip, a curve in the fabric. This is the essence of Einstein's general theory of relativity. He proposed that massive objects like stars and planets warp or curve the fabric of space and time around them, creating what we feel as gravity. So instead of thinking of gravity as a force pulling apples down from trees, Einstein encouraged us to picture it as objects following the natural curves in space-time. This was a revolutionary shift in understanding. But a theory is just a theory until it's proven, right? Enter the solar eclipse of 1919. British astronomer Arthur Eddington set out on a voyage to Principe, an island off the west coast of Africa, to test Einstein's bold predictions. During a solar eclipse, the sun's light is blocked by the moon, allowing astronomers to observe stars that are usually hidden in the sun's glare. Einstein predicted that starlight passing close to the sun would be bent, causing those stars to appear slightly out of their usual positions. And guess what? Eddington's observations during the eclipse confirmed this. The stars had indeed shifted. The world was stunned. Newspapers heralded Einstein as a new scientific hero. This validation of the general theory of relativity was a turning point in physics. It shifted our understanding from Newton's law of universal gravitation to Einstein's dynamic vision of space and time. Gravity was no longer a mysterious force acting at a distance, but a predictable outcome of the geometry of space-time. Einstein's theory didn't just redefine gravity, it reshaped our understanding of the universe. This wasn't just about understanding how apples fall from trees or planets orbit the sun. This was about understanding the very fabric of the universe itself. And that, friends, is the power of a good theory. Einstein's influence extended far beyond the realm of science. Though most famous for his groundbreaking contributions to physics, Einstein's impact was deeply felt in the world of philosophy too. His theories challenged our basic understanding of the universe, prompting a shift in our philosophical perspectives. His ideas about time, space, and reality changed how we perceive our existence, stirring profound discussions among philosophers and thinkers worldwide. Einstein was not just a man of science, but a man of peace. His strong advocacy for pacifism, especially in the aftermath of World War I, was a testament to his belief in the power of dialogue and diplomacy over violence. Despite witnessing the devastating effects of his scientific work in the form of nuclear weapons, Einstein remained a steadfast proponent of peace, urging the world to choose negotiation over conflict. His influence didn't stop at the boundaries of science or philosophy. Einstein played a crucial role in the creation of the State of Israel. A vocal supporter of Zionism, he used his stature to advocate for the establishment of a homeland for the Jewish people. This advocacy included corresponding with key political figures and using his global recognition to bring attention to the cause. Einstein's involvement in the civil rights movement in America further illustrates his commitment to social justice. He used his platform to condemn racism and segregation, speaking out against the injustices faced by African Americans. He even invited the renowned African American singer Marian Anderson to stay in his home when she was denied accommodation due to her race. All these aspects of Einstein's life paint a picture of a man whose influence transcended the scientific world. A man who cared deeply about the human condition, who used his voice to advocate for peace, justice, and equality. Einstein used his fame to champion causes he believed in, leaving a legacy that stretches far beyond mc². His life stands as a testament to the ability of one individual to make a difference in the world, not just through their work, but through their values, their voice, and their actions.